How to color grade in Premiere Pro. This is a normal video and this is the video of your dreams. How do you do this effect? Here's how. First, go to Premiere, drag a clip, hold Alt and drag it up. Duplicate your image, your layer, sorry. Go to the effects panel and type in Gaussian blur. Where did it go? Yes, Gaussian blur. Put the Gaussian blur in, go here and you increase the blurriness to wherever you feel fit. I think this is enough blurry. And then you go to the blend mode and you go to screen mode to lighten or screen. Now for this, screen works and as you can see it's pretty blurry. However, there's another way and this is actually the better way and the actual way you do it in Premiere. You delete this, you take this and you delete this too, delete everything, drag your clip back in, go to VR and you select VR Glow. Put it in and here we have it, and then we go to VR Glow and you increase the Luma threshold to a point where you like. Make it fit here. You change the glow radius, you can change the saturation of the glow. And there you have it, the tutorial of your dreams. Hope that helps and thank you. See you in the next one.